In today's video, we will learn how to create group-wise budget. For this, we took an example. You can check the example in our descriptions link. So, for this, we will make a company. First, press F3 for create a new company. Go with create company. We will name this company budget and control. Budget and control limited. This is the company that I want to put the state is West Bengal. Accept yes. There is a window will be open which is called features. So you can see my show more features is yes and show all features is yes. If you don't see this is yes, you can't make all the changes. So make this yes. And then made the exact changes which I made in this video. Maintain accounts, it will be yes. Enable bill wise entry, it will be yes. Enable cost center, made it yes. Then it is will be no. Inventory will be yes. Yes, integrated accounts with inventory, it will be yes, and all the things are no. Taxation, made it the GST no, and all the things here will be no. And enable browser access for reports, it will be yes, and all the things are no, except yes. Now I will create some ledger account. For this, go with create, then go with then go with ledger. Create first one, I want to create a capital account, so it will be capital account, which is this. It will be under capital account. I want to put this opening balance 5 lakh. 5 lakh, accept yes. I want to make the account SBI. It will be a bank account. I don't want to put all this name for now, all these details for now, because you are just learn this. So skip this. 2,50,000. I want to put the balance, so 2,50,000. And I also want an account which is cash in hand. For this cash, we have to go with this alter, then go with ledger, then go with cash. You can see cash is here. I want to put this cash balance which is 2,50,000. So the changes are made. You can see all the changes are made. Control A. You can came here gateway of tally. Now we will create office expenses as a group. For this, go with create, then go with group, then put the name which is office expenses. It will be under indirect expenses, and all these will be no and not applicable, except yes. Here we create three things, which is first we create company and put some balances, and we made changes in our accounting features, and we create office expenses as a group. In our next video, we will create ledger under office expenses group and create budget with balances. You can check the example on our below link or our channel, or you can also check our next video in our channel. Thank you for watching.